Good morning. Here we are yet on another series of I am confused. So, hey, what are you confused about?
I am confused in odd and even.
You are confused between
Odd and even.
Okay, within a flick, I'll clear it, right? So, just tell me, why didn't you go with your mother to her friend's house?
Well, my mother has a friend there, but I don't have any friends there. I feel alone and odd.
Oh, that's it. You feel alone and you feel
Odd. Odd.
odd. Okay? So, your mother and friend, they are two together and you are all by yourself. So, you are odd. Right? Now, look at this word odd. It itself tells you that this is mother and friend together and this is left alone. So pair of two and a single one. So in a number, when there is a pair of two and one single is left out, that we call as odd.
Odd.
Right? Now, for example, pick up any number of pencils from this basket. Yes, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. And if I add one more, this becomes
7.
7. So now can you make the pairs of groups of 2 from this?
2.
Yeah, groups of here. Groups of 2 each. So here we are. This is 2, 2 and 2 and this is feeling odd. Why is it feeling odd? Because it doesn't have any companion, right? So when two are together, we in a group, when two together and one is left out, we call the number to be odd. Alright. And then if I remove this one, what it becomes?
Even.
It becomes
Even.
it becomes
Even.
why it becomes even?
Because all of them have partners.
Yes, because in
They have partners.
right. In this number, we can make the group of 2, right? So this total, how many are these?
1, 2, 3, 7.
No, total how many are these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So when it is 6, the groups of 2 are formed. So we say the number is even. And now how many are these? 2 and 2, 4. And this one is alone. So this together is 5. Yes. And what is it? It is odd.
Because this one is left alone.
Very good.
That means it's odd.
Very good. Now look at these two words. The words also speak.
I know.
Yes.
I know the words. This means groups and this means...
No. This is EV. It has two alphabets together. Pair of 2, EV. And EN, a pair of 2. Right?
And this one is alone.
So this is 4 alphabets and the word says I am even. Because it can form the group of 2. And here look at this odd. Odd, this is the group of 2 and this one is alone. So it is odd.
Odd.
Now can you tell me which numbers will be odd and even, okay? Now I'll draw a line. Here we write odd and here we write even. Okay? I'll speak the numbers. You say up, down, okay?
Okay.
3,
Up.
6,
Down.
4,
Down.
5,
Up.
7,
Down.
7.
Up.
7 is, here we saw 7. This was 7. So 7 is up.
Up.
Okay. That means there are only two numbers, two types of numbers. The number can be either or it can be even. Alright. Now let us see which numbers are odd and which are
Even.
Right? So if we start with 1, 1 is,
Odd.
2 is,
Even.
3,
Odd.
4,
Even.
5,
Odd.
6,
Even.
7,
Odd.
8,
Even.
9
Odd.
and
10.
10 becomes
Even.
It like skill keeps counting, like 1 skips 2,
Well,
2, 3.
very
And
good.
one skips to 2.
Very good. You skip on a number line is very good. So that means if on a number line we skip one step, we get odd and even.
Like
If we
number
start
line.
with 0, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
Like
6.
if we start from 0
Zero.
and skip 1, it becomes
2,
even. We skip 3 and jump on,
4.
it becomes,
Even.
we skip 5 and jump on,
6.
it becomes
Even.
right?
1 skip counting.
Yes, skip one step. We start from 1,
One.
skip 2, it becomes odd.
Odd.
3. We skip 4 and jump on 5,
Five.
it becomes
Odd.
Okay, so is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
Now, if I give you two big numbers, will you be able to tell me which is odd, which is even?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, now, can you tell me which is odd, which is even? Yes.
The first one is even
The first one is even.
Even.
Why?
because its last digit is even.
Yes, last digit is
Even.
And the first one is only 3 numbers. That means one group of 2 and one is alone.
No, 3, that is one digit. Very good. This only, if we look at only digit 3, it is odd.
Odd.
But for deciding the whole number, what should we see? We should look at
The last
digit.
number.
That is the digit at one's place. If the digit at one's place is 8, it becomes even.
And the
If-
5 is also odd.
If the digit at one's place is 3,
Three.
it becomes
Odd.
odd. Okay, now in this number, if I write 9, will this number be odd or even?
It will be odd.
It
Odd.
will be odd.
Odd.
Why odd? Because we have odd number at one's
One's
place.
place.
This is the one's place. So, and if I make it 4,
Odd.
4 is at one's place. So 4 is odd or even? Even.
Even.
4 is even.
Even.
So this whole number becomes
Even.
Clear? Is that clear? So in a number, if we can make the groups of 2, the number is even.
Even.
If we cannot make the group of, in the group of 2, If one alone is left, it becomes odd.
Odd.
And we look at the number, look at the digit at the ones place.
4.
If it is even, the whole number becomes
Even.
If the digit at the ones place is odd, the
Then
whole
the whole
number
number
becomes
is odd.
Clear? So, overall, what are the digits that make the number odd? Can you tell me the digits that make the number odd? Yes? Yes? 1,
1, 3, 4,
5,
5,
7,
7,
and
9.
If these digits are there at
Ones place,
the number becomes
Odd.
And if the digits are 2,
4, 6, 8,
0.
0.
At the ones
Ones
place, the number becomes
Even.
So just remember, odd has three alphabets,
alphabets.
where D, D are together and O is left alone. So it does not form the pair of 2. And even is EV is one pair and EN is another pair. So it can be grouped in groups of, can be divided in groups of 2. So it becomes even. Is that clear? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.